going to be, well, attempt to make my first YouTube video for you guys. But today I'm going to be working on my 97 Ford F350 with 7.3 in it. But the other day I had a problem. This marker light on your, the marker light on your headlight, the whole cover fell off of it. Glue got old and just fell off. So I finally bit the bullet and decided not to be a cheap ass and buy a new set of headlights, and I think they look pretty good, huh? But these are Anzos, or I don't remember, but I got them from Top Gear Auto Sports. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. And they came pretty darn quick. I think they came in like 4 days. But anyways, before I put them on, I'm gonna tape them up and paint the outside edges white, and then as you can see, I already masked this one off around the corners. So I'll mask the other one up and get them painted up, and I'll get back to you guys. So while we're waiting for the paint to dry, I guess we can unhook it and pull the bumper off so it makes it easier to put them in real quick. That's old greeny. Well, now it's black, but yeah, hang tight. So we'll pull her up by the old engine lift and pull the bumper off real quick. Okay, I'm back. So in order to do this, you take your headlights out. You're going to need an 11mm socket, either a deep socket or get you a little extension like this, and a Phillips head screwdriver. And if you want, you can take your batteries out. I did. Makes it a little easier for video purposes and gives you a little more room to work in. That's either, well, I couldn't find my 1/2 inch, so I just used a 13mm. Now, in order for me to get to my headlights enough, or to get them out, I gotta take my bumper off, which isn't too hard, but you won't have to do that. So on these headlights, I don't know if you can see very good, but there is a 11mm bolt, right? You know, if I can get it. Right where that hole is, where the light is shining through. Kind of right there. And then you got another one where this little pocket is here on the side, right? Right in here. You can kind of see the nut, kind of. You can feel it if you put your finger in there. So let's get started.
You know, well, I'm a chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house it's not much to talk about, but it's filled when love is grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love.
This one out. There's a little clip back there that sits in there just like so. Sits in that groove. So you do your screwdriver in here as you saw, and just pop it up. I think so.
Price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. Thank God for my life and for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones that give their lives so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. Get your little chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love.
Oh, hi, Spud. Alright, well, paint's finally dry. And I'd say it turned out alright. Here's one. Not perfect, I'm not a professional painter, but it looks alright. Maybe we can do something kind of satisfying here. Ooh, that looks nice. Well, I'll clean this up a little bit and we'll put them in. Alright guys, I'm back. Before you go to put these in, remember those screws I had to undo for the headlights to come out? These little suckers that you screw into go here. And like the one right there, you gotta pull the little piece of shit pin off the engineers like to design. But anyways, yeah, pull them off, and I just used a pick and got underneath each side and got it out of its groove, and then you can just pick them right up. And then they send you new bulbs so you can change your turn signals out. When you go to put these in, you just poke them through. You know, see if I can do it. Just poke these bulbs through the same hole. You gotta pull these bulbs out. And that's where your new headlight plugs in. Whichever harness the headlight plugs into, that's the one it goes to. Anyways, I'll keep chugging along. Okay, got it all hooked up. Take your headlight bulb out. And the one with the orange tape goes to the blue and black wires. The other one goes to the black and red wires. You'll know when you go to plug them in. If they don't want to plug in, try the other one. One thing I forgot to mention, make sure you keep these little clips, because you're gonna have to reuse them. Where'd it go? On here. So, yeah, I would have to say they look pretty gosh darn good on this pickup. Oh, sweet. There she is. I think they look pretty good. What do you guys? Good evening, everyone. I decided to wait till it got a little dark. It's not super dark yet. It's starting to see headlights. And I figured everyone would like to see the headlights all installed, lit up. They're pretty darn bright. I'm gonna have to turn them on markers real quick, but as you can see, it'll be nice. Well, here's what they look like without blinding headlights. With our lights. So, if you like the video, guys, like and subscribe, or let me know how I did on my first video. I'm hoping to do a couple of these every week or so. So, you should be seeing a lot more videos from me. So, until next time.